The Introduction to Precision Ag course is meant to be, as most introductory courses are, a mile wide and a foot deep. So we introduce a lot of concepts, a lot of different technologies. Remote sensing focuses on drones, drone operation. We go through the FAA Part 107 training so that at the end of the class they can go take their test to be a commercial pilot. Half of our classes should be a lab type component where the students are actually doing the hands-on labs. All of our programs have an internship component. We offer 2 internship experiences per year, so 1 per semester. They do their internship, but then they're out for the rest of the summer. So their internship requirement is only a month long. It's about collecting the data, turning that data into information, using that information to drive decisions, and then implementing those decisions. The technology a lot of times doesn't answer all the questions for us, so we still got to be the drivers of that at every step. The computer doesn't give them the answer, it helps them figure it out. And we've got past graduates that are working all different facets of the industry. There's a lot of potential outcomes with this type of a degree.